Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset or recover your password on PayPal. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you connect to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.paypal.com and hit enter. So the home page of PayPal opens up on your screen. On the top right corner of your screen you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, make sure that the region selected is correctly by clicking on this option and then selecting your country. After you made sure that your region is selected correctly, click on this text field and fill in your email address. Once you fill in your email address, click on this forgot password option on the bottom of the password text field. After you click on the forgot password option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, click on this next button. Once you click on the next button, you'll be guided to another page. Now in this page, your phone number will be shown and then you'll have to click on this next button. Once you click on the next button, a code will be sent to your phone which is registered into your PayPal account. Fill in the exact code which is sent to your phone number and then click on this continue button. If you don't have access to the mobile phone number, you can also try another way by clicking on this option. Once you fill in your code correctly, you'll be guided to another page where you will be able to create a new password. Fill in the new password here and then fill in the exact new password here and then click on the save option. You can also choose to log out your account from other devices by clicking on this option. Once you click on the save option and if you have filled in the credentials correctly, your password on PayPal will be changed. I hope this video helped you to recover or reset your password on PayPal. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.